Hey guys, it's Karen. I just wanted to take a second, check in. I'm going to be doing a couple of videos this week to talk about different topics of things that have been going wrong and happening on a tech level. So I just want to kind of do a little introduction about why some of these things are super important. So the first thing, self-tapes. You must learn how to use Google Drive or Dropbox, and you need to learn what it is I mean when I say you need to send me the links. Because what I find a lot of people doing is they attempt to email the file in some fashion, which is, nobody wants files emailed to them. Please do not actually email files. Don't do it. You need to upload, if you're like recording on your phone, like I'm doing right now, you have to have Google Drive on your phone or Dropbox on your phone. You need to upload the video into Google Drive or into Dropbox. Make a folder, okay? And then once it's in there, you need to rename your file so that we're not getting videos labeled like I am the 3245 or some ridiculous thing like that. I need to know what it is. I need to know it's like Karen Lampiasi _ video on the street .mov, okay, whatever it is. So you need to rename files, okay? So upload into Google Drive, upload into Dropbox, whichever is your pick of what you like to use. And then when you send it to people, do not, and I'm going to say this like 5 times, do not grant permission to edit and send it that way, so that it's like sending it from within the app, like in Dropbox, when you could be like, you type somebody's email address in and you grant them permission to the file. Do not do it that way, because what you're accomplishing is it's 2 things. Number one, like in my case, my giant Google Drive, my giant Dropbox is not attached to my particular Karen@LampiasiTalent.com name, right? So it's trying to put it into like a tiny Dropbox that I have, doesn't fit, it creates all kinds of havoc. But besides an issue like that, let's say I need to forward it to an agent or I need to forward it to a casting director. I no longer can do that because you've only granted me permission. I'm the only one who has permission to do it. So now, instead of being able to click on a link within my email, watch it, send you back with something that says, hey, great, it looks perfect, and then copy and paste and forward that on to who it needs to go, I have to download it onto my computer, which takes up a huge amount of space. If you could picture every client sending me every self-tape, every version of every self-tape ever, every single day, right? It's a lot of space. And then I have to rename your files, and then I have to create a link, and then I have to copy and paste it into an email. All of that could have been avoided if when you did it, you just simply put it in your Google Drive, right-click on share with, I forget, I'll have to do it when I do a screenshot in a minute, but you right-click on like share with Google Drive. Make sure your permissions are set that anybody with this link can view it. So check those permissions right after you right-click on it, check permissions. Copy that link and literally paste it into the email so that we see that long, terribly messy looking link. But I want to see it, right? You can also create a folder. So if you have a folder that has 3 different scenes, your slate, and a song, you can share one link to just the folder if you'd like. You could do it that way as well. But again, do not grant permission to the folders. Create a link to the folder and share it that way. Because this way, let's say I'm standing here and I'm on my phone and you send me something and I want to check it. If you've sent me the file, I have to try to download it to my phone, which is a nightmare. And then I have to try to view it. And then I have to try to recreate a link. It's like, I can't do it. I literally can't do it. So I need to be able to forward, like just copy and paste and forward things to agents and casting when that comes up. So it just has to be done this way. If you're not sure how to do it, I'm going to do a little class on this, a little tutorial. But learn Google Drive, learn Dropbox, and learn what the difference is between what I am explaining to you about, like creating a link that you copy and paste into an email versus granting permission. Do not grant permission. Only copy, create and copy links, okay? So that is number 1. You can also upload to Vimeo if you have like one of the pro versions or the paid versions where you can create downloadable links. That some casting directors and some agents will accept that, others won't. So Google Drive, it's like free, just learn it. It's really easy. It's really the best way to do this, all right? So that is my thing for the day. learn how to create links and share links in emails with me, please. Oh, please. And if any one person thinks I'm talking to you, trust me, you are like the 5th person to do it to me in a single day. So this is not going out to any particular person. This is going out to everybody. Please, please, please learn how to create links. Okay, I'm going to do another video where I do screenshots of how to do it for those that are kind of like tech not savvy, and hopefully it'll work out well. Talk to you soon.